Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen. It could be almost any Volkswagen such as Tiguan, Golf, Jetta, Passat, CC, EOS, Touareg guys. If you need to replace fuel cap, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Bad fuel cap can activate your engine light on. You may have check engine light on and code related to evap leaks, multiple things like that. So stay with us, we'll explain how to replace it step by step. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That's where you can get it from for a really good price and quick shipping, and that's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Before we start, let me just tell you guys quick about us. Every single car we get the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And let's go ahead and show you now how to do that. Okay, this is a Volkswagen Tiguan, only 43,000 miles. But what happened, guys? Engine light turned on. And we got a cold small evap leak. We started actually investigating. We tested the purge valve, it closes. We test the purge valve lines, everything's good, nothing cracked. And then we came to the fuel cap, and this is one of the first things that you should check. Actually, bad fuel cap can give you an engine light. And if you look, that can happen due to two different things. Failing valve here that's stuck open, or a cracked seal. In our case, the seal is cracked, and that's what's causing the problem. So this is, guys, the new cap. Okay, right here you can see this is the new cap. This is the loop that it goes through. Now ours is I'll show you, ours is broken due to the fact you can see right here, guys. Okay, somebody pried it. Okay, and that thing was actually right here in the cap. Okay, we bought the car used recently, and you're just supposed to, guys, don't pry. That's not a clip here, that's part of the plastic here. Okay, what you're supposed to do, you just need to go ahead and feed that plastic thing. Okay, let me focus quick. Feed it through the thing and you will be able to get the loop out. Okay, feed it through the thing and it comes out. Careful not to drop it in the fuel tank. Okay, perfect. That's how you're supposed to do it. Somebody broke it, guys. So what we're going to do, we'll fix it. How? We're going to install the new one now here. Okay, that's the new one. We're going to put the loop right there, and we're going to put a small screw, guys, very small screw right here, perfect, through the plastic, you will see, so it can hold that thing in place. Just easy, perfect. Now with that little bitty screw, okay, that thing should stay here in place and it shouldn't go anywhere, because okay, otherwise you will just lose it. So let's go ahead, get it tight. It will be even better than new. Check it out. Now it functions. Okay. Now we need, yep, it turns, to make sure it turns, and you can put your gas cap on here. Okay, and later you can go ahead, okay, and replace it. Now some people replace them from here as well. You can pull those things out as well. You can push them out. Okay, replace it and glue the new ones in. But that will be the easiest way. It's made to where you don't pry anything here, you just go over it. Okay, it goes only one certain angle. That's how we do it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.